Today we're going to talk about grub worms, which turn into June bugs. We also know them as May bugs, May beetles, June bugs, May beetles, and grasshoppers, and some fungus. So you may have noticed some spots in your grass that are bare, and the soil seems compacted. And if you go to the grass that's around that compacted soil, and you lift up, and it pulls away easily, that's grubworm destroying your grass. Grubworms destroying your grass. So to combat that, we have product that you can put down for grubs, and we'll also take care of other insects that may be in your soil. Along with grubs, this is right about the time that you're going to start messing with grasshoppers. We should see grasshoppers in the next month or so, but you need to get a product down for those grasshopper eggs also, because they deposit them in the soil, they overwinter, and then when the temperatures are right, then those eggs will hatch and turn into grasshoppers. And then you know what grasshoppers do to your crops and your vegetables and your flowers. So the other problems that we are dealing with at this time of year, especially with all the rain that we're getting, is fungus. So I have different fungicides that you can use to put down on your yard. And we can go into more detail about the different funguses when you call us or you come into the store.